Hi everyone, Sean here from Make or Create and of course, Halton MakeFest. Thank you to everyone that tuned into our streams last week. We've had an overwhelming response from all of them and to all the makers as well who helped make it all possible. We've had just shy of 6,000 views so far across all the platforms, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So thank you to everyone involved in making and everyone involved in watching it. All the videos are available on demand, so you can catch them anytime now on, again, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and we're going to be updating the website as well soon, so you'll be able to watch them all directly through our website, and hopefully that number of views will continue to grow throughout this year. But it's not over yet. We have got a fantastic prize draw for you. So yeah, what we're looking for is for anyone that was part of any of the streams, to watching them, part of them, is to get your feedback on how you felt it went. Did you enjoy it? What was good? What could have been done better? And if you enter that feedback, we will put you into a prize draw to win some really cool stuff. So I thought I'd show you what we're up for winning. So first of all, we have some pretty cool Make or Create merch. So we have got pack of coloring pencils, Make or Create branded. We've got some headphones, Make or Create branded. One of our really cool recycled notepads. So good for you to get any notes you've got one down, do some coloring in, do some doodling. 2 Make or Create pens, one of them with a stylus on the end, which is cool. You've got a tablet or a phone you want to draw in it. One just standard issue pen. And we've also put together in the packs one of our stop motion animation packs. So within inside that, we have a desk easel. These are really handy. Be able to get your tablet or your phone at any angle you want to when you're shooting. We have some white tack, every animator's favorite toy, favorite thing to help you get your animations in place and steady and not moving. 2 Lego characters ready to go. A Lego base station. Again, anyone looking to do some Lego animation, these are really useful. And I guess the showstopper is this, which is one of our Parrot mini drones. So we are, let's get this open. We have got one of our Parrot cargo drones as well up for grabs. So all this stuff will go into a pack, which you can win and get creative and yeah, have a go winning. Oh, and of course, one of our bags, which you can win, put it all in, tidy around, make yourself look really cool as you're being creative and doing loads of cool stuff. How do you enter? Well, first things first, I know that we got a lot of views in Halton MakeFest from across the world, Germany, Canada, America, loads of different places. Unfortunately, you do need to be inside England to enter this competition. So thank you very much for watching from around the world. But this one's only for people that were watching inside England. So to enter, we need you to have your feedback with us. So this is all going to be done via the Celebrate Halton website. So let's share that. Cool. So the Celebrate Halton website is, the URL is celebratehalton.co.uk. You can find that easy enough by going into your Google or URL and typing in the URL for that. And what we need to do is go over to this section here in the top menu that says, let us know what you think. Give that a click. And this brings us into the Borough of Culture events pages where you can feedback on everything that's happening throughout the Borough of Culture in Halton. Halton MakeFest, very proud to be one of the first events in the Borough of Culture in Halton this year. So let's have a look. Let's go through this. So first thing we need to do is put what section you're in. So you can see here about midway, we've got one for MakeFest. So we just give that a click, go next. How you're involved in it. So if you were somebody watching from home, you would tick this one. If you participated in the event as well, if you made something from it, you can tick this one as well. So you can tell how you participated, what you made, or you volunteered at one of the events, you can tick this one. Most of you, I'm assuming, will be on this one though. Then we're clicking next. This is now I want you to choose 3 words that best describe how you felt the event went. I should say as well, if you attended multiple events, you just need to do this once. You don't need to do it for all the events that you went to. Just do it for the one time. And yeah, choose 3 words. Obviously, I don't want to be putting words in your mouth, but it's all the way from inspired and happy to sad and hated it. So however you felt during it, tick 3 of these boxes and then click the next button. How you'd rate the activity out of 10, 1 being poor, 10 being very good. What, if anything, did you enjoy about the event or activity? So again, just a little bit of space for you to type in there what you enjoyed about the activity. If there's anything that you'd like to have done differently or anything that could have been improved, put it in the next one. This is really important. We always look to grow and kind of read these feedbacks and, you know, making sure that we're doing the best event possible. So if you do think of anything that you thought might make it better, let us know in there. Did you learn anything from attending the event? Yes or no? Would you like to see similar events happen in the borough beyond 2021? So you want to see MakeFest come back again and any of the other events that we're doing. You want to put yes in there, and if not, no or don't know. Did it increase your pride in the borough? Again, not want to put words in your mouth. However you feel about that. How you heard about it. So there's lots of different ways that you might have heard about it. If it's not here, say you heard about it through the Halton MakeFest social media pages or the website, or maybe Make or Create or one of the other partners, you can just click other and put that in there. But if it was one of these, you can put a tick in it and go with that. Have you attended other borough culture events or activities? You may have done, but we are just at the beginning. So I think Halton MakeFest might have been one of the very first ones. So it's okay if not at this point, as we are one of the first ones that have been. But if you have been involved in one of the ones, I know the library we're talking about the half-term creative packs and things like that. So you may have been involved in that. Click next. Do you live in Halton? Pretty easy, yes or no. Have you previously visited, attended events in Halton? So again, if you've been to any of our stuff with Make or Create or Halton MakeFest last year, you will of course be able to click yes. If not, click no. That's fine. And then popping in your home postcode in the box below. Are you happy to be contacted about further comments? So this is really important, this section. We need you to click yes if you want to enter the competition to win the drone and all the other cool stuff. If you click no, it means that we won't be able to contact you to let you know if you've won or not. So we really need you to click yes and then put an email in this box here. This is how we'll contact you if you have been successful, if you've won. So please, please, please remember to put yes in this section and put your email in there so we can contact you. We would hate to not be able to contact you to let you know. So yes, and then an email address. Any other comments you can put in here, gender, age, ethnicity, and then once you're happy with your submission, all you need to do is click this submit button here at the bottom, and that is you done. Yeah, you're able to submit, and you'll be in the prize draw for winning it. And also we'll get some feedback about the event, which is really useful. So yes, if you'd like to win the prize draw, or even if you'd just like to give us some feedback on the event, please complete this form. And yeah, we look forward to it. We have got some more exciting stuff coming up in the next week or so. So we have some on-demand videos that were sent to us that will be going up on the website, so that you'll be able to get involved in some more creative sessions. And we've also got another project which is being delivered at the moment. So in the next couple of weeks, we'll be back in touch with you all to let you know about that project, how you can get involved in another Halton MakeFest project. There you go. Until then, thank you very much for tuning in. And yeah, hopefully you'll fill in that form and we'll be drawing the prize winner in a couple of weeks' time. So keep your eyes peeled for that as well. Thanks for watching. And yeah, we'll speak to you soon. Take care. See you again.